My question for you is this: the macroeconomic setup for hard currency is setting up to be excellent. We have abandoned almost any monetary or financial rectitude, and the Fed has ruled in favor of inflation and hitting the print button on the money machine. So the question is this: with the easy money policy, make the case of why you'd rather be in Bitcoin than gold.
Yeah, I look at the market forces, and as I look forward, Bitcoin's creating global markets in energy, in money, and in finance that operate across all borders and jurisdictions 24/7, 365, and they're open to everyone to participate. And we look at the global energy market. If you take the latest generation of S19 grade Bitcoin miners, you can generate 1 exahash with 30 megawatts of power. At the current prices, that means that energy is worth 45 to 50 cents a kilowatt hour sold to the Bitcoin energy grid. That compares to 13 cents a kilowatt hour for typical residential use, or 11 cents a kilowatt hour for typical commercial use. You can use that to drive down the cost of electricity everywhere on Earth. You can rescue stranded energy everywhere on Earth. You can commercialize renewable energy anywhere on Earth. And you can actually create safe, clean income in the developing world, wherever you find an energy source, selling the energy at 45 cents an hour, kilowatt hour, which is more than you would get in Manhattan. It's a pretty extraordinary thing. It's never happened before in history. Billions are flowing into this mining sector. And I think that the billions that are flowing in the sector are going to create an incredible global renaissance and disruption in the energy business to the good of the world. Contrast that to the gold market forces. The gold industry continues to market the myth of gold as money while engaging in activities to elevate the US dollar as money. And they're mining in an expensive, dirty, dangerous fashion. They're using 20 times as much energy as the Bitcoin mining network. And manufacturing, marketing, and selling yellow metal is expensive. The next $1 trillion that's spent on gold mining is going to make gold less valuable. Whereas in the year 2035, 99% of the Bitcoin is done. Bitcoin mining is over. The miners are effectively going to be buying Bitcoin. The stock to flow goes to infinity. The stock to flow goes negative. And all of the money spent on Bitcoin mining is to secure the network, provide billions of people with a better store of value, to improve energy efficiency, to make the world a cleaner, better, more efficient place. So the market force, I think, clearly favors Bitcoin.